Xiaomi recently launched the Mi Watch Revolve Active that I've been using for about a month now, and I have to say that I am impressed with this one for the most part. Keep watching. Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and before we begin, like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and press that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we post a brand new video. What are the key pillars of a good smartwatch? Of course, you need to get the basics right. So you need a fantastic display, a long-lasting battery life, and useful health and fitness features. The Mi Watch Revolve Active nails them all. It has a gorgeous display, it is solidly built and looks good. It has a slew of features such as SpO2 monitoring, heart rate tracking, various sports mode, sleep tracking, etc. It has an astounding battery life, and all these costs only 9,999 rupees. So what's the catch? There's no catch actually, I was just kidding guys, although I do wish that we could make calls from the Mi Watch Revolve Active, but then again, none of its competitors allows you to make calls as well. So I would say someone has to initiate, so Xiaomi, with the next watch at a reasonable price, calling feature. Please, I know only you guys can do it.
तेरे से होगा, तेरे से ही होगा.
Okay, breaking it down, the Mi Watch Revolve Active features a polycarbonate construction which looks elegant and feels solid. The straps are silicone, they feel high quality, and you can easily swap them if the need be. At the front is this beautiful 1.39 inches circular AMOLED display which can get as bright as 450 nits. The colors look absolutely gorgeous on this large dial, and the touch operation has been very smooth as well. In terms of functionality, there's raise to wake as well as an always on display, but sadly only one works at a time. This means you can either have an always on display and wake the watch by double tapping the screen, or you can have a raise to wake and forget about the always on display. Why Xiaomi? Moving on, you get two buttons on the side. The home button takes you back and forth between the menu and home screen, while the sports button is for all the workout modes on offer. At the back are the sensors and the magnetic pins to attach the proprietary charger, which takes about 2 hours to fully charge the watch. Okay, so about health and fitness, the Mi Watch Revolve Active offers about 117 sports modes. And on top of that, the watch also has a built-in GPS to better track your runs, steps taken, and much more. To pair this watch with your smartphone, all you need is the Xiaomi Wear app, which is available for both Android and iPhone. And personally, I've been using the Revolve Active with my iPhone 11 Pro. So with the app, you also get access to plenty of watch faces, including custom watch faces. Besides, the app is where you can monitor your sleep data, your heart rate data, your stress data, and in terms of tracking, I found the data to be reasonably accurate. And while we are at it, let's do a quick comparison and see how the Mi Watch Revolve Active fares against a pulse oximeter. There's also a separate tab to monitor your workout data as well. Apart from this, the Revolve Active also shows you notifications for messages and calls, but then again, you can just check them and not interact with them. Again, this is sad, but as I said earlier as well, even the competition doesn't allow you to do something like this.
तेरे से ही होगा.
Okay, the Mi Watch Revolve Active also gets Amazon's Alexa integration, and while it works fine for most of the queries here and there, I really wish there was a talkback feature, but maybe I'm nitpicking here. Okay, otherwise the battery life on this thing has been bonkers. I mean, this watch is in its second charge cycle right now. This is exactly the 10th day if I am not wrong. I have the always on display and the raise to wake feature disabled for the second run, and still I have about 38% battery left, which is absolutely great. But even when I remember the first run, I had the always on display turned on, and that time around I got a battery life of about 13 days. So long story short, a battery life on the Mi Watch Revolve Active won't disappoint. So should you get the Mi Watch Revolve Active? Well, if you ask me, it does get the basics right. It has a great display, it has various health and fitness features, it looks good, and most importantly, it has a stellar battery life. Of course, the cost of the watch, that is 9,999, sounds reasonable, but do remember its competitors such as Amazfit, Noise or Honor have offerings that give you more or less the same features for even lower prices sometimes. So there's that. And that was my review of the Mi Watch Revolve Active. And personally speaking, guys, if we look at the price to performance ratio, the Mi Watch Revolve Active gets a huge thumbs up and a solid recommendation. But most importantly, what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.